Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This channel is all about DIY content. I will share some of my DIY ideas and how to make it every week. Hope you like it. 逛商场的时候，经常看到一些简单的日用品，感觉可以用水泥自己在家制作，就想到了今天我们要制作的水磨石牙刷架。让我们开始吧。第一步，先制作模具。模具用到的纸筒是厨房纸用完后的纸筒，将它剪成4厘米左右的高度。加上一个纸板底座，用透明胶带封住，之后不会让水泥漏出来，这就是我们要用到的小模具了。接下来搅拌水泥，我用的是快干白水泥。通常情况下，水泥和水的比例是3:1，因为我们之后还要加入彩色碎片，所以这个比例可以根据情况稍微调整。水泥和水调和后，加入彩色碎片。彩色碎片的制作过程，请参看右上角的链接。将碎片碾碎，加入水泥中一起搅拌一下。水泥不要倒满，到模具1/3左右的样子。插入圆形小木棍，固定在中间。这里要检查一下木棍有没有裂开，如果裂开的话，插入水泥后会很难拔出来。也可以在木棍上包一层透明胶带，方便后面脱模。轻轻抖动后就可以放置待干了。待干24小时左右，开始脱模。脱模完成后就是打磨环节，放在水槽边，可以撒上一些水在砂纸上，方便打磨。 将表面磨出彩色碎片，另外可以把边缘磨出一个倒角，这样拿起来会更舒服。打磨完成后，在户外或者通风好的地方喷上喷漆，油漆带干后，这个制作就完成了。来看一下制作后的效果吧。
Thank you for watching. Here are some words I would like to share with you. This channel is 1 year old now, and I'm so happy that I can keep making videos for this whole year. In this year, for the first comment, the 1,000 subscribe, the first video with 100,000 viewers. They all encourage me. Thank you everyone for supporting me to continue making more videos. And there will be many new ideas I would like to share with you for the next year, so please stay tuned. Still, I hope today's content can give you some inspiration of handcraft. If you have any questions about these videos, please feel free to leave a message and I will reply you as soon as I can. Thank you.